What are the two most important elements of your presentation? Your introduction and your conclusion. Never start with, "Hi, my name is, and I'm here for." Instead, think about a hook. The hook could be a fact, a figure, a question, or even a short story. For your conclusion, never finish with, "Okay, I'm done. Do you have any questions?" Instead, think about one call to action. What is the action you want your audience to make? Do you want them to follow you, contact you next week, or invest in your project? Don't forget body language. Open body language, look at your audience in the eyes, make smiles, and take the time to make silences. If you want to know more on how to pitch, follow Ego Boost, our weekly 1-minute video on how to pitch.